Hi guys, welcome to our channel Hyderabad Food Walk. So today we are at Evergreen Family Restaurant and Lounge, which is located at Musapet. And as you all know guys, abhi IPL aane wala hai, which is starting from the 18th of this month. So we are at a place which gives you flexibility of having good food along with the best ambience, with the best rooftop restaurant. So let's go inside, let's see. So guys, we are at the Evergreen Family Restaurant and Lodge at the second floor. So this is a common place for all the family people. But if you want more privacy, अगर आपको बहुत privacy चाहिए, they have the VIP lounge as well also. And also you can see that the colors are very vibrant, very energetic. That shows how good the ambience it is. And if you don't mind, look at this. There's a small OTT shoot is going on also, which shows So let's go in to have the more privacy way of having a good food. Woo! So we are at the family lounge guys, so which is very dedicated to the VIP or the people who want to have the privacy. So अभी हम बैठेंगे यहाँ पे. The interior looks very colorful, very vibrant. जब से हम नीचे से आ रहे थे, it was very awesome. I really kind of love the interiors, to be honest. And if you want to have a privacy, then this is a place you need to have it. So and the ambience looks amazingly colorful, and it has very vibrant, and this is newly started. तो बहुत ही अच्छा है और जो vibes आते हैं ना, that is amazingly good. So I have ordered some mocktail also. Oh, mocktail भी आ गया हमारा. So thank you so much भैया. One best thing about this location is they have the rooftop sitting as well. So अभी हम जाएंगे ऊपर and खाएंगे their signature dishes, which is butta biryani and fish and some chicken starters. So we are going to finish this mocktail, upar jayenge, then we'll have a good amazing feast of the non-veg guys. So I'm excited as usual. This is a place I've been waiting guys. Rooftop mein jab khana khaoge, though, that gives you a different vibe, and when you have a metro like this which pass you, so this gives you a different feels and vibes. So I'm going to sit here and enjoy the food in the full open air vibes like this. So चलो देखते हैं. खाना मैंने ऑर्डर कर लिया ऑलरेडी, देखेंगे खाना कैसा है और यहाँ के टेस्ट कैसा है. So in specialty to Telangana Koramiti. So this is the chef who prepared this item, so which looks very big. The fish is full complete fish. Okay, ये हमारा next item. ये नने दे Telangana Kodi Vepu. Okay, this is Evergreen Special. So ये नने दे
Evergreen Special Butta Biryani.
Evergreen Special Butta Biryani. So this is a biryani in a pack of this thing. So अभी देखेंगे खाएंगे हम how, and these are the chefs who made it. So these are the hot selling items of the Evergreen Restaurant Lounge guys. So I'm going to serve it. These are the 3 hot selling items of Evergreen Restaurant Lounge. So let me first dig in with the fish. Machhi try करेंगे. So let's see that. The fish is very dry from outside, but the you can see the juices of the inside. Look at this. So and you can see some chili powder, which is going to give the different taste. एक अलग सा taste देगा ये. So I'm happy. Let's see. The outer it is little dry, but as you dig in, बीच में थोड़ा juices है, which is giving you different flavors. And the big good part about this is this boneless. I mean, would be one bone, but other than that, easy chewable, easy eatable. बहुत ही बढ़िया है. I loved it. So I'm done eating my fish. So अभी खाएंगे हम chicken. So chicken fried, which is also a hot selling item of this Evergreen Restaurant Lounge. so many flavors are hitting you. And the one thing I like about this place is, guys, it's an open rooftop. If you want to have a good time chilling out on the weekends, then ये बहुत amazing place रहेगा तुम्हें. You can have this rooftop eating as well as a live streaming of the IPL. And ये मुसापेट में है. If you are staying by nearby and if you have a plan of hanging out with your friends, chilling out on the weekends, then this is the best place to try out, guys. With good food, with good ambience. So done eating with the fish and the chicken. Now it's the time of having the biryani, which is like hot selling cake of this Evergreen. So I'm going to have this butta bhojanam or butta biryani. Now, as मैं जब ये नीचे देख रहा था, when I been into the kitchen, they had like good proper COVID protocol. They had all the gloves and headgear, and it was quite clean when they were preparing it. And one more good thing about this place is usually जब भी तुम बिरयानी खाती हो, they serve this salan, mirchi ka salan, but at Evergreen restaurant, this you will have a proper chicken, and usually other people charge for this, but this is a free of charge. So these two are the deadly combinations which I'm going to try. So देखेंगे इनका भुट्टा बिरयानी कैसा होता है, how it's going to taste like. Amazingly delicious, guys. The bhutta biryani is like really amazing. The biryani is not filled with the spices, it's like properly medium. But अगर तुम ये chicken mix कर रहे हो, खा रहे हो ना, it's like heaven. Let me tell you, it's like pure heaven. And look how properly the chicken is cooked. How properly the chicken is cooked. Bone off. Look at this. How tender the meat is. Easy breakable. तो ऐसे places में आने का यही एक advantage होता है. You get to eat one of the best dishes and which are like really awesome. But once again, these two items, these two combinations of bhutta biryani and the chicken are like heaven. And they help you serving the alcohol also. Like you can see the backside of me, the people are having the alcohol. So you can come here for the food as well. And these are the hot selling items, but they have the huge menu with the non-veg, different types of biryanis and starters. So amazing. This brings to the end of our video, guys, and once again the location will be shared in the description. And since they have newly launched, they will be soon in a 2 days of time, they will be on the Swiggy and Zomato mein. And the best landmark for this would be Chandrakala and Shashikala Theatres, which is like quite next to the Chandrakala and Shashikala Theatres. Once again, if you want to hang out with your friends, have the chill time on the weekend and watch the IPL screening in a big screen, then this is the best place to come out. So I hope you like this video, guys, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends, come on your weekends on this particular location, and you'll have a good time. That would be no doubt you will surely have a good time. And see you in the next vlog. Until then, peace out.